Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to create your product listings in your owner dashboard. From the home page, click on your profile in the top right and select your dashboard from the drop-down menu. Once in your dashboard, select Products and then choose Add New Product.
The first field you will need to fill in is the brand field. Some of these fields will show your brand or category, which will appear when you start typing. If they do not show, you can request a new brand or category.
Fill in all the details and fields required. If you have a YouTube channel featuring your equipment, you can fill in the URL to upload a video. On the next page, please fill in your model and product warranty. Underneath, there is a specifications form. This form appears on your product page and offers more information such as year of manufacture, color, and max speed. Please note the identifier and text fields must be the same.
Next, you can set variations for products, such as rental mode, which would give the buyer the option of operated and self-drive. These will be shown in your inventory form, where you can set the correct variation for your product. To set this up, type your variation into the Add Associated Product Option Groups field.
Now fill in the shipping information, which asks for the shipping profile and the weight details for this piece of equipment. After you have completed the Shipping tab, you can move on to the Media tab. Here you can upload images of your equipment for your products page. Finally, the Inventory page. This page irons out the last few details of your product listing. Please make sure to fill out all of the fields. In this form, you can enable Request for Quotation. This allows buyers to submit a request for a different price. More will be covered on this in the Request for Quotation tutorial.
Here is where you can select your variants that you set up previously. You can also select whether you would like your security deposit to be a flat rate or a percentage.
By selecting the plus button, you can add different variants of the same product, as this may change the price. For example, an operated variant will cost more than a self-drive variant. Select the tab Rental Inventory and Promotions, then click Inventory. This is what your listing will look like in your inventory, where you can deactivate or activate the status, which controls its visibility on the website. Once you are finished, you can check how it looks on the website by selecting Shop in the drop-down menu in the top right. Your YouTube video will appear here for a buyer to view. It will give them a better impression of what they are renting. You can check all the details and view your product as a buyer would. You have now completed your product listings setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit